What's up, hippies? Today I'm going to be showing you how I lighten my locks once again. So stay tuned so you can see how I got this gorgeous brown color. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at HerHippieTV. Please make sure you comment and subscribe right here on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can get all my notifications and videos. My hair was lightened 7 months ago, so April of this year, but I'm wanting it a lighter color, which is why I'll be bleaching it today. So you want to start off by rubbing Vaseline on the perimeter of your hair so that you do not get any bleach on your skin, or if you do, it will not be that bad. I did put my rubber bands in oil before I used them. It's just something that I learned a few days ago, and it actually works. It's a perfect method. You want to make sure you put your hair into 4 parts and make sure you are wearing gloves before you decide to mix your bleach and your developer. You want to make sure your bleach and developer is mixed into a smooth consistency. Once that's done, start applying the bleach to your hair. I'm making sure I coat my ends and that I get every single lock. I am not yet coloring my roots. I want to see how this color looks on my hair first before I decide to go fully blonde or fully any other color. Once that was done, I placed a plastic cap on my head and sat for about another 10 to 20 minutes just to let the bleach fully lift the color. This is how my hair came out once I washed the bleach out. I love the color. It's definitely lighter, but I want to get rid of all those yellowish tones in my hair. So now we are about to tone my hair with T. Wella toner. This toner requires you to use a 20 volume developer, and what you're going to do is place the contents of the Color Charm toner in a bowl, and then you're going to fill that same bottle up with the 20 volume developer twice, and you're going to also put that into a bowl and go ahead and mix it up and get it nice and blend it well. Once you're done with that, part your hair into 4 sections again, and then you're going to apply the toner and sit for about 30 minutes to let it get all those yellows and oranges out your hair so you can have a full even color. And in my case, it's a full even pale beige brown color. After 30 minutes, I washed my toner out, and this is the color that I got. So my locks have definitely lightened. I didn't lighten them too much. I don't want to damage my hair. So we're lightening in steps. Since I bleached and toned my hair today, I am going to actually steam it to put some of that moisture back into it. I'm using a bamboo and coconut milk growth oil with sweet almond oil in it from Talia Waleed. And that almond oil just helps with hair growth. I'm also using a liquid conditioner and a thick hair mask. I'm going to mix that up together and place that on my hair and steam my hair. Okay, hippies, this is the end result color. I love how I lightened a little, but not too much. And again, I'm using the bamboo and coconut milk with sweet almond oil by Talia Waleed, just to put some oil and moisture back in my hair after it was steamed. And I'm just going to massage that all in my scalp and from the roots to the ends. Because the texture and the ends of my hair are curly, I use Talia Waleed's curl cream, and I implement the lock method for moisture, and that's just liquid. I already put the oil on my hair, and now I'm using a cream or butter, and that is what I usually use to moisturize my hair every few days. After washing my hair, I usually retwist locks that are in the front, like the perimeter, just because they're the easiest to come undone. So I retwist those, and then I also use some curl gel just to put at the ends of my hair, so that the ends of my hair still have some definition or some curl definition. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today as I bleached my locks. As said earlier, please don't forget to follow me on my socials, Instagram at HerHippieTV. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe right here on YouTube. And please, please, please don't forget to hit that bell so you can get all my notifications and videos. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment, and I will see you beautiful people later.